Hello Pressedaholic gang, welcome back to another video. I am so excited for this video, guys. My collab that I've been talking about came in the mail today, and we are going to be unboxing and seeing what we got. But if you are new to this channel, welcome to the gang. My name is Deja. I own Pressedaholic, and I help everyone who is looking to start a press-on nail business and helping you guys do the same as me. So if you are into these type of videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe below. I'm not gonna spend so much time talking in this intro because I am so excited for these products. And it's funny because I got done filming my last video and all of a sudden Amazon comes with this box, and I was just like, where were you like 30 minutes ago? So I am very excited to see what we got and play around a little bit. This may be a two-part video. I might do just this unboxing today and then a review later on. And as part of this Melody Susie collab, I'm actually doing celebrity inspired nails every month. So every month I will be making a mock set on video for you guys on how I created that set. The company itself did come up with the concept, and we got chosen, guys. So I am extremely excited for this opportunity, and yeah, so here is what's in the box. They did let me pick out these products, and here they are. So here is the Melody Susie UV Shield Gloves, which I have been needing, and I think that a lot of us need them during our press-on nail business because we are constantly putting our hands in the UV lamp. So here it came with a small card. Melody Susie, it says, thank you for choosing Melody Susie. Your satisfaction is important to us. If you have any questions about product warranty, return, or refund policy, please email them, and their email is on this card. So here I'm just going to take this off, and already this feels so nice, guys. It's really stretchy. It has their logo on it, so pretty, and it's very soft, which I enjoy because I'm also working with my hands while wearing this glove, so I would hate for it to be super stiff, but I don't feel stiff at all. And I love that I could still buff my nails with these on because I really like to feel the nails while I'm working. So the next product in this box is the Melody Susie Nail Builder. This is a polygel set, and she comes in such a beautiful packaging, guys. And let's give her an open. Oh, so pretty. So here's how she looks. She comes with very big bottles, and it comes with a card, and this extension gel comes in white, clear, and light pink. You also get a nail file, and oh, this is pretty, guys. And you get a Melody Susie double-sided polygel tool. I'm in love with that. Let me feel this. Oh, she's nice. She's very nice, very soft. In here are the polygel, I'm not really sure what you call these. I think that they're polygel forms. I think that is what you call them. And really nice. So I'm very excited to try this out. You will definitely be seeing a video of these. And I'm very interested to know how polygel works on press-on nails. I know that a lot of you guys have actually mentioned polygel in some of my comments, and if I recommended it. I honestly have never worked with polygel before, so this will be my first time, and I would love to do that on video with you guys before you go investing into it. And you know, if you guys are not doing press-on nails, but maybe you just want to get into nails or do it yourself, this is definitely a really nice kit. It comes with absolutely everything, so definitely not bad. I will definitely try to leave the links to these down below. So our next item is the Melody Susie Scamander rechargeable nail drill. And guys, I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for this. Before I get this box out of my way, they also sent me some nail bits, which we are going to be reviewing right now. Guys, I'm just going to open this up. And here is the Melody Susie card, the user manual, and here is actually a 20% off. You must use code MissNailBit, which 20% off is definitely not bad, y'all. Not bad. So here she is. She has weight to her, which I really love. Especially that she does not need to be plugged in is amazing. So here is the inside of the box. I'm just going to push this aside for a minute. So here is the holder for the nail drill. You also get your power cord. This piece actually is to hold it on the side. So you would just kind of snap her in like this. She comes with your basic set of nail bits. And in here is your hand tool, which is really nice because it's not super heavy. I have a nail drill now, but y'all, it's not all that. And I really have been wanting one because, of course, we want a faster way to buff our nails, our press-ons. We want a faster way to do our own nails, you know? All right, guys, so I have Miss Susie, and that's why I'm gonna call her Miss Susie, all set up. Right now I'm taking out these really cute nail bits. I did choose these ceramic nail bits because I was very curious about them, and I have been wanting them for quite a long time. So I'm just going to take this one out, and I'm going to put this one in. So here you would twist this part to unlock it, and this piece is going to come out. Here I'm just going to put the one that I want, and I'm going to lock it in place. And she also has a holder that you can clip, I guess, to your jeans if you're like on the go, which is really convenient. Here you have the left and the right on, you know, which side you want the bit to turn in. And here is how you're going to turn her on. She has a really nice LCD screen. Here you can see it's on 2 batteries, and the lowest speed is a 3. And she goes all the way up to 30. I love love that she is quiet, guys. Like on 3, she is very, very quiet. So right now I'm just going to take her and I'm just gonna use my real nail, and I'm using this on 3 because I am very curious. Oh, she is so smooth though, guys. I don't know if anyone is like me who always has nail glue on their real nail. Like constantly putting on and popping off nails. I always have some type of nail glue, so I am definitely excited for this. I love that when applying pressure, none of like the nail drill doesn't stop, if that makes sense. With my other one, once I apply pressure, it stops. So it's not giving me any type of like burning sensation. My bad, guys. These products were sent to me to review. Me and Melody Susie are collabing, and we are doing a mock celebrity look every single month. And guys, I am so excited for this. I'm really excited for you guys to see a lot of the tricks that I've developed in the past few months. I'm really excited for you guys to see like a really in-depth video on this, especially with the polygel. I am also waiting on a UV lamp from Melody Susie for anyone that's wanting to invest into a UV lamp, and we can see how it works, or you know, how it differs from anything that's cheaper. So I really hope that you guys are just as excited as I am, and that you liked my past video on nail art. Please give it a big thumbs up and let me know what was your favorite product of this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next one.